Right, bag full of steel ball bearings. 399. I could take a few out because we only want about 350. But if I go for 400, that gives us a margin of error as well, doesn't it? Margin of safety. So now the test. 400 grams. Still floating with 400 grams. What happens when we sink it? That's what we want. It's not going to the bottom. And that's 400 grams. So that's given us 50 grams more than we need. In fact, it was 338 grams, so 60 grams more than we need. Yep, worst case scenario, we'll still be able to find it. But the question is, when it's going along, if it noses under, how far can we go before we're in trouble? If I want to be really safe, I could actually put some more foam on top of there, because then it won't go down head first like that. So that's the important bit, that it comes back again. Oh, my balls are just about to fall out. Excuse me. I didn't say it like that, did I? I think we're good enough to go. I think we can put the gear in there, make sure we waterproof the ESCs and the receiver. And it might be a safe idea to put an extra little layer of foam on the front there. Because at the moment, obviously the front is going down. If the back goes down, it's then the front goes first. Don't know if you understand where I'm coming from there. But I could just cut a piece of foam to go straight over the top there, glue it in place, and that means if the front starts splashing like that, it won't go down. That's my theory, and I'm sticking to it. Right, back indoors. Although that buoyancy test or flotation test was a success and it met the requirements, I still want to play safe. So I've cut myself a piece of ordinary styrofoam and I'm going to glue it on there using Gorilla Glue. Oh, that's not the stuff I thought it was. That's the foam-free Gorilla Glue. I actually want it to foam, to fill any little gaps. Although, no, it probably won't matter. Yeah, I'll put that on, clamp it down with masking tape, and that should be good. I'll go and see if I've got... Oh, no, use this. I'm pretty sure I've got some of the normal foaming stuff somewhere, but we'll give this a try anyway. I don't think this has ever been used. Looks okay. So we have to dampen the surface, because that's what activates the glue. It's already damp because it's been in the water. This stuff has a habit of tearing unevenly, so we just make sure we got started okay. Yeah, we're okay there. Everybody always uses too much of this, me included. Although in my defence, I'll say I've never used this clear stuff. I always use the other stuff which foams up, just like the foam that we filled that with. It's going to go on there like that. Line it up. This is so when the front of the bow goes in, it comes back up again. Whereas in the test, the front was going in and going down, and it was the back that was coming up. Right. Okay. We'll leave that. Full cure in 24 hours. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.